In this video, we are going to do these three questions from the chapter statistics, and I've taken two MCQ, right? This is two MCQ and one question. So let's begin with the first question. In this question from the chapter statistics, we are given a class and frequency distribution table, and what we have to find out is the sum of the lower limits of the median class and model class. So first we need to find out the median class, and we know that we can calculate the median class if you know CF. So let's calculate CF. CF is going to be what? First will be 10, 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 12 is how much? 37 plus 20 should give you 57, and plus 9 should give you 66. Now check, now we have what? N as how much? 66. So first we'll get n over 2, which is 33. Now check, 33 lies over here, right? So this is going to be our median class. But then we have to find out the lower limit of the median class, which is 10. So we got this value as 10 over here. Oh, that's the lower limit of the, yeah, that's the lower limit of the median class is 10, right? So this is 10. But then we also have to find out the lower limit of the model class. So for finding the model class, we need to see the frequency and not cumulative frequency. This is 20 has the highest frequency. So clearly this is the model class. And from here we can see that the model class frequency, highest frequency is 20. This is the model class where 15 is the lower limit and 20 is the upper limit. So for the model class, the lower limit comes out to be how much? 15. Now, once we have got the lower limit of both the median as well as the model class, we have to find their sum, right? One more time, we have to find their sum, and clearly sum will be what? 10 plus 15, that comes out to be 25. So 25, yes, we have an option, that is B is the correct option in this case. In this question from the chapter statistics, we are given that the mean and median of the data ABC are 50 and 35 respectively. Further, we can see that ABC are written in the ascending order, where C is the biggest and A is the smallest. Further, we are also given C minus A is equal to 55, and what we have to get is B minus A. So what we know that let's begin with median. Why? Because median is the middlemost observation, and that is given as 35. So let's obtain B first. We have been given the B, the value of B is 35. That's the first thing. Now let's obtain the other relation, that is the mean. And what is the mean? Mean is sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. There are three observation, and the mean is given as 50 as for the question. This is 50. So we can transpose 3 to the other side. That results to give you A plus B plus C as how much? 150. So this we got as 150. Check, we can replace this B, right? B, the value of B we know. So if I plug in B as how much? It is A plus B as 35 plus C is equal to 150. So from here we can get A plus B by transposing 35 to the other side. It should be 115, right? Now we can also find out this is C minus A is given how much? C minus A is 55. So this is C minus A is equal to 55. So we can use elimination, and was that A and minus A get cancelled. So this is 2 times C is equal to, this is how much? 150, 170, 170, yeah. Now, therefore, C is how much? 170 divided by 2, which is 85. So we got the value of C. We had the value of A. Now we have to get B minus A. That means we have to get the value of B as well. So for getting B, we can use any of these equation. Let's say from this equation, this is how much? A plus C is given as 115. So if I replace C over here as 85 is equal to 115. So this we did by using this equation. So now if I have to get A, it should be 115 minus 85. So A comes out to be how much? 30, right? So we got A as well. We have B, we have A, we have C. Now we have to get B minus A. So B minus A from here, B minus A is what? B is how much? 35 minus A, which is 30. That will give you how much? 5. So this is the answer for this question. In this question, it says if the mean of first n natural number is 105, we are given the mean and then we have to find n. So what we know as a formula, like if we talk about the mean, it is sum of all observations, sum of all observation that divided by number of observation. So sum of all observation that divided by the number of observation. Here it is number of observation. Now check here, we are given mean as how much? 105. And what is the sum of observation? These are the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, say up to n natural number divided by the number of observation. Clearly we have n such numbers, so this is n. Now let's figure out what we can do. We know that the formula for sum of first n natural number, and what is it? The sum of n natural number is n plus, what is that? N plus 1 divided by 2. That's the formula. So I can replace this thing. I can replace this thing with this, which is, now I can write this as, this is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now remember, this is another n over here, so I can write this n here. So you can see that this 2 and 2 get cancelled on transposing 2 to this side. So 105 into 2 is how much? 210 is equal to n plus 1. This implies from here is what? 210 minus 1. So it should give you 219. So therefore, this is the answer for this question.